Naghahanap ba kayo ng budget-friendly beach resort for this summer? Tara, samahan niyo ako at ituturo ko sa inyo ang mga top 5 beach resort na for sure mag-e-enjoy kayo for this summer. Let's start from the number 5 down to number 1. Number 5 on the list, Kylie Sea Resort in Morong, Bataan. The sand is beige or grayish color. And what I like about here is that they have pool at the top. Nakitang-kita ang beautiful scenery ng dagat. At 3 minutes walk lang from the beach. Full access na rin ng pool kaya malaya kayong gamitin overnight. Para sa entrance fee, 399 pesos per adult. At free of charge naman for kids 6 years old pababa. They have family and couple rooms available here for overnight stay. Starts from 2,500 pesos per night. For inquiries, you can contact them at their Facebook page. Fourth on the list, Canoe Beach Resort in San Antonio, Zambales. Gray or volcanic sand ang beach nila dito. For the admission fee, 200 pesos lang per head. Free entrance for 5 years old and below. And discounted naman for seniors and PWDs. Para sa cottage rent, 900 pesos po, good for 10 packs na. They also have rooms available for overnight stay. Cottage and rooms are limited here, so much better na magpa-reserve agad before po kayo pumunta dito. For inquiries and reservation, you can contact them at their Facebook page. Third on the list, Valencia Beach Resort in Zambales. Grayish or brownish ang sand nila dito. Maraming available na kubo, kaya marami kayong choices na pagpipilian. Hindi nga pala sila mahigpit sa corkage or charge, kaya malaya kayong dalhin ang drink bottle and foods ninyo. Ang entrance fee is 100 pesos lang per head, 50 pesos for children 4 to 10 years old, at free entrance naman for 3 years old and below. At 900 pesos naman para sa cottage rent. For inquiries, you can contact them at their Facebook page. Second on the list, Armada Beach Resort in Masinloc, Zambales. Sa mga naghahanap ng white sand beach dyan at Malaburakay ang view, Magalawa Island is your looking for. Instagrammable and perfect for picture taking na rin. Para sa entrance fee, 200 pesos for adult. 100 pesos naman for kids at free entrance naman for 3 years old and below. For boat fee, 150 pesos lang per head. And 500 pesos naman for cottages, good for 12 persons na. Rooms are available here for overnight stay. Starting from 4,000 pesos, good for 6 persons. Also for inquiries, just contact them at their Facebook page. And our number 1 on the list, Costa del Fuego in Patar, Pangasinan. White sand ang beach nila dito. Stores and souvenir shops are accessible inside the resort. Marami rin available na mga kubo, especially near seaside. Ang entrance fee naman nasa 30 pesos lang per head. For adult na po yan. And free entrance naman po below 12 years old. And 20 pesos naman for seniors and PWD. Also 1,500 pesos naman for cottages. No entrance fee na rin kapag near seaside kayo nag-avail ng cottage. For rooms and accommodation for overnight stay, that time we avail room malapit sa Costa del Fuego na 3,500 pesos, good for 8 persons na. But they have also rooms or transient houses available here. Maximum of 15 persons. And bahay kubo, good for 4 to 6 persons. For reservation, you can contact them on their Facebook page. Grabe, sobrang captivating ang mga scenery sa mga beach na to at talaga mag-e-enjoy kayo ng family mo. And that's the top 5 budget-friendly beach resort around Luzon. And once again, this is Liz Kalim. Thank you for watching. God bless and see you on my next vlog.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.